Get ready to fall in love with learning at the Ohio Technical College Open House on October 28th. As the leaves change, so can your future when you explore all that Ohio Tech has to offer. It's the spooky season here on the shores of Lake Erie, and you'll see the spirit of learning come alive at our open house. So get ready for a thrilling day of discovery with leading industry partners like Audi, as well as Erie Insurance. And you'll learn about our Get Ahead program featuring Freightliner, Detroit Diesel, and Western Star, all brought to you by our good friends at Valley Truck Centers. But wait, there's more. You'll see live demos from many of our accredited programs right here on campus during our open house. So don't ghost us like this ghost truck. RSVP today and embark on a career that's as electrifying as Frankenstein himself. So join us on October 28th for a transformative experience that's no trick at all treat.